Hi guys, Mike here, your geek for today's video. Today, we will meet the newest member of the Vivo T series, the new Vivo T1x 4G. Currently, it is the most affordable entry-level gaming smartphone at 8,999 pesos with 90Hz refresh rate. Premium yet affordable gaming smartphone in the market today. Stay in there as we unveil this device kung talagang solid tayo dito. So guys, are you turbo ready? Let's go! Now guys, this is the new Vivo T1x 4G. This was released last May 2022 at meron tayo dito ngayon na 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage na i-unbox natin today. Tara, unbox na natin. This is the Vivo T1x 4G. As usual, let's see what's in the box. We have here the unit itself. Ayan, so set aside muna natin siya. The documentation. Jelly case. We also have here the Type-C USB cable. Power adapter. And SIM ejector pin. Ito yung T1x 4G na yun. This Vivo T1x ay ang Gravity Black variant which uses a frosted curtain coating. Meron ding Space Blue variant that shows a reflected view at the back. Minimalist yet elegant ang premium ang kanyang design. Ang malupit, this Vivo T1x 4G houses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor with 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage. Pero meron pang isang variant na 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. Talagang laban na laban pagdating sa gaming experience. Kaya naman, less lagging and more wins. Meron din tong 8MP front camera good for selfies at 50MP rear camera wide sensor. At 2MP sensor, one for depth and another one for macro. Kaya hindi lang pang gaming ang Vivo T1x 4G. Meron din itong triple shot camera feature. With this, anyone can capture different scenes from any distance. On the right side is the volume rocker and the power button. Sa taas is yung SIM card tray. Sa baba naman, you still have the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port alongside with a single speaker and a microphone. Long-lasting battery na din kasi naka 5,000 mAh at 18 watts fast charging na din si Vivo T1x 4G. So guys, try natin sa gaming. When it comes to gaming experience, maganda yung grip, smooth siya, handy at hindi siya nakakangalay gamitin. Kaya goods na goods to, lalo na sa mga gamers. Ang maganda dito guys, may easy access sa ultra game mode. Swipe from the left screen, andun na yung option. If you want battery saver, balance mode or performance mode kung magi-gaming tayo. Tara, try natin maglaro ng Mobile Legends.
My magic flows as freely as the winds.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
So far, wala naman ako na-experience na lag or any problem while in-game sa Mobile Legends. Smooth siya gamitin at maganda na rin yung kanyang graphics. Design talaga siya for gaming. May enjoy nyo talaga ang paglalaro ng Mobile Legends using T1x 4G. Kaya 2 thumbs up para sa Mobile Legends experience. Now guys, try naman natin yung magiging gaming experience natin sa Call of Duty. When it comes to Call of Duty gaming experience, during loading time, wala naman naging problema, walang lag, tapos pagdating sa kanyang graphic and animation, maganda, clear and smooth, kaya may enjoy mo ang paglalaro ng Call of Duty using Vivo T1x 4G.
Enemy contact! Target in sight! Target down! Need backup! Eliminated! Sniper! Heads up team, enemy spotted. Eliminated! Enemy contact! Reloading! Cover me! Tango down! Need back contact with enemy! Sniper down! Reloading! Grenade! Changing mag!
So let's try to check the camera performance of Vivo T1x 4G using the selfie and rear camera.
This one is shot using the rear camera of T1x 4G. This video was shot using T1x 4G.
Pagdating sa videos, meron na siyang 1080 pixels resolution na pwede na rin for social media, although hindi pa siya naka 4K resolution. Maganda yung photos na na-capture ko using Vivo T1x 4G rear main camera. Detailed at maganda yung kulay, although hindi ganun kalawak ang kanyang dynamic range. Sa selfie camera naman, pasado naman siya. Pwede na siya for live stream or kung pang social media like Facebook and Instagram.
So ito si Vivo T1x 4G ay nagkakalaga ng 8,999 pesos only at sulit na sulit for gaming experience. So now guys, pros and cons tayo. Maganda yung design, handy at easy to carry yung Vivo T1x 4G. Maganda yung performance at tipid sa battery at solid sa battery life kasi naka 5,000 mAh na siya. Smooth din siya gamitin kasi naka 90Hz display na siya na wala sa ibang entry-level gaming phone. Yung camera niya ay sulit na din for entry-level phone. Pero may mga pwede pang gawin para mas mapaganda si Vivo T1x 4G. Tulad ng mas malaki storage, mabilis na charging experience, at pagkakaroon ng dual speakers. But still, super sulit at affordable ni Vivo T1x 4G, lalo na at naka-entry-level gaming phone na siya. Solid na solid din gamitin, lalo ng mga mahihilig sa games. Overall, 2 thumbs up para kay Vivo. Thank you for watching and see you again sa aking next video.